Welcome to this video where we will be exploring ChatGPT, a state-of-the-art language model trained by OpenAI. ChatGPT is one of the most advanced artificial intelligence models out there, capable of processing and generating human-like language responses in real time. In this video, we will dive into the capabilities of ChatGPT, how it works, and how it's being used in various industries today. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence AI chatbot developed by OpenAI and launched in November 2022. It is built on top of OpenAI's GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 families of large language models and has been fine-tuned using both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. ChatGPT was launched as a prototype on November 30th, 2022. It garnered attention for its detailed responses and articulate answers across many domains of knowledge. Its uneven factual accuracy, however, has been identified as a significant drawback. Following the release of ChatGPT, OpenAI's valuation was estimated at $29 billion in 2023. The original release of ChatGPT was based on GPT 3.5, a variant based on GPT-4. The newest OpenAI model was released on March 14, 2023 and is available for paid subscribers on a limited basis. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it is a type of deep learning model that was first introduced in 2018 by OpenAI, a research organization dedicated to advancing artificial intelligence in a safe and beneficial way. GPT is based on transformer architecture, which was introduced in a paper by Google researchers in 2017 and has since become a popular choice for natural language processing tasks. The first version of GPT, called GPT-1, was trained on a large dataset of web pages and was able to generate coherent text passages that resembled human-written content. GPT-2, released in 2019, was trained on an even larger dataset and demonstrated remarkable language generation capabilities, including the ability to write news articles, poetry, and even entire books. However, due to the concerns about the potential misuse of such a powerful language model, OpenAI initially withheld the release of full GPT-2 model, only making smaller versions of the model available to the public. In 2020, OpenAI released the full GPT-3 model, which is currently the largest and most powerful version of GPT with 1.7 billion parameters. GPT-3 has been used for a wide range of applications, from language translation to chatbots and even generating codes. Overall, GPT has had a significant impact on the fields of natural language processing and has opened up new possibilities for human-machine interaction and automated content generation. ChatGPT as a language model can help various platforms in several ways. Here are some examples. The number one is customer service chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to create customer service chatbots that can respond to the customer queries and concerns in a human-like manner, providing instant support and assistance. The second one is social media. ChatGPT can be used to generate engaging social media posts, captions, and comments that are personalized to the user's preferences, leading to the better user engagement and retention. E-commerce. ChatGPT can be used to generate product descriptions and reviews that are tailored to the customer's interests and preferences, helping to increase sales and conversions. Another one is education. ChatGPT can be used to create educational content such as course materials, quizzes, and assessments that is personalized to the student's learning style and level of knowledge. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used by content creators such as bloggers, writers, and journalists to generate ideas, brainstorm topics, and even create entire articles, helping to save time and effort in content creation process. Now we will have a close look on the benefits of ChatGPT. There are several benefits of ChatGPT. The number one is language generation. ChatGPT is capable of generating human-like language, which can be used to create engaging, and personalized content for a variety of applications. The second one is personalization. ChatGPT can be customized to understand the preferences and interests of individual users, allowing it to generate content that is tailored to their specific needs. The third benefit it offers is its efficiency. ChatGPT can generate content quickly and accurately, which can save time and effort for the businesses and individuals. ChatGPT is a language model that consists of several key components, including the number one, Transformer architecture. ChatGPT is based on the Transformer architecture, which is a type of neural network designed for natural language processing tasks. The Transformer uses self-attention mechanism to learn the relationships between different words in a sequence or sentence. Another key element is pre-training data. ChatGPT is pre-trained on a large corpus of text data such as web pages, books, and articles. Fine-tuning. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned on specific datasets for particular applications, allowing it to adapt to different use cases and generate more relevant and accurate responses. Inference engine. ChatGPT uses an inference engine to generate responses to user input. The engine takes the input text, processes it through the pre-trained model, and generates a response based on the learned language patterns. The last key element is contextual understanding. ChatGPT uses contextual understanding to generate relevant responses based on the context of conversation. ChatGPT application development cost can range anywhere between $100,000 to $500,000. The cost of creating a language model like ChatGPT can be very high due to the resources required for pre-training the model. OpenAI, the company that created ChatGPT, spent millions of dollars on hardware and computing resources to train their models. Additionally, the cost of acquiring and pre-processing the large datasets used for pre-training can be significant. If you are looking to create a language model similar to ChatGPT, here are some of the cost factors to consider: the hardware, data, development time, maintenance, and updates. That's all about the ChatGPT. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do comment